Okay, how to use the dishwasher. Fill it up, the dish, use the tablet, put it here, slide this one down so it locks, close the front, push this button here, choose program, I have this one, and then press start. And it's working.